Standard 8 Mathematics. Children, in previous video you have studied about practice set 6.2. In that practice set you have solved sums by using expansion formula a cube plus b cube. Here is the next formula, that is a cube minus b cube. See children, same solution is there, just difference is there in one sign. But because of this, see what changes are there in the expansion. Let's discuss about this. A cube minus b cube. You can write this cube common. Okay, so it will become a minus b bracket cube. Solution is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now from this you can write a cube minus b cube together and minus 3ab. From these two terms you can write minus 3ab common and then a minus b will be remaining factors. Now a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b is equal to a minus b bracket cube. Therefore, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b bracket cube plus 3ab in bracket a minus b. From this first bracket, if we will consider, we can remove 1ab common, okay, and then a minus b into a minus b bracket square is same. Yes, that is nothing but cube of this bracket, right? Plus 3ab into a minus b as it is. Then from this again, now a minus b we can write common. To get this a minus b common, we have written it like this. So from this whole step we can write a minus b common. Okay, so in next step this a minus b common as it is, and you know expansion of a minus b bracket square. So it will become a square minus 2ab plus b square, and this plus plus 3ab as it is. Now in next step a minus b first bracket as it is, and 3ab minus 2ab means what? ab only. So a square plus ab plus b square. So this is the expansion of a cube minus b cube. Now while solving practice set 6.3 we have to use this formula. Now let's start with practice set 6.3. Question number 1, factorize. First one is y cube minus 27. Now children, first of all we have to write the given sums in a cube minus b cube format. Here is y cube, but 27 is whole cube. It is cube of 3, right? So we can write this 27 as 3 cube. See, so first step is y cube minus 27 is equal to y cube minus 3 cube. Now if we'll compare this with a cube minus b cube formula, y is nothing but a and 3 is b. So we'll write it in next step. See children, here a is equal to y and b is equal to 3. In next step we'll write formula. See, formula is a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now next we'll write one sentence by substituting values in the formula. See, in each and every solution these steps will be same. First of all, whatever given sum is there, you have to write down it in the form of a cube minus b cube. Then next step you will write it in that sum what is the value of a and b. Next third step will be write down formula and one sentence which is common for each and every solution, that is by substituting values in the formula. After this, now we'll write it directly, that is y cube minus 3 cube is equal to, now what will come in first bracket? Yes, y minus 3, that is a minus b. So y minus 3 will come in first bracket. In second bracket, y square plus ab. A is what? Y into 3 plus 3 square. Next, y minus 3 into y square plus 3y plus 3 square is what? 9. So this is the final answer. Okay. Now we have written this in the form of a cube minus b cube. But our question is y cube minus 27. So this answer we have to write again. Say children, finally you have to write answer like this. Therefore, y cube minus 27, whatever is given in the question, is equal to y minus 3 into y square plus 3y plus 9. Now look at this second solution. Second question is x cube minus 64y cube. So again, here we have to write it in the form of a cube minus b cube. So x cube minus 64y cube is equal to x cube minus 64 is 4 cube. So 4y cube. 4y we have to write in bracket. Here a is equal to x and b is equal to 4y. Formula, you have to write down formula in this step by substituting values in the formula. Now write this, x cube minus 4y cube is equal to a minus b. What is a? A is x minus b is 4y. Now a square is x square plus ab means what? X into 4y plus 4y square. So next step is equal to, first bracket will remain as it is, and in second bracket x square plus x into 4y is 4xy plus 16y square. 4 square is 16, so 16y square. This is final solution, but don't write it in front of this because you have changed the format. So what is there in the question? In question it is x square minus 64y cube. So write down final answer in front of this. So x cube minus 64y cube is equal to x minus 4y into x square plus 4xy plus 16y square. Now third question, 27m cube minus 216 n cube. See children, now this is not whole cube. So from this we can write 27 common. So next step will write 27m cube minus 216 n cube is equal to 27. 27 is common factor from both the terms. So it is written out of the bracket. So what is left in bracket? M cube minus 8n cube, which is equal to m cube minus 8 is 2 cube. So 2n cube we can put in bracket. So now in this bracket we have got format of a cube minus b cube. So 27 we can write common in every step. Here a is equal to m and b is equal to 2n. Then after this write down formula. Okay, see here After writing A and B values, you have to write down formula. By substituting values in the formula, you will get 27 into m cube minus 2n cube is equal to, again see, 27 as it is we have to write common. But only this bracket we have to consider while solving. What is formula? A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b. So what is a? M minus b is 2n. Now a square is m square and plus ab. So m into 2n will become 2mn plus 2n square, that is b square. Now second step, write 27 as it is and first bracket as it is. So m square plus 2mn plus 2 square is 4. So last step, last one solution is 2n square means 4n square. So this is final answer. Now write down this final answer in front of given question. That is 27m cube minus 216n cube is equal to 27 into m minus 2n into m square plus 2mn plus 4n square. Fourth one, 125y cube minus 1. Now children, 1 is, if you will multiply 1 by 1 again, means 1 square is also 1, 1 cube is also 1. So you can convert it in the form of a cube minus b cube. 125 is cube of 5. So write down 5y cube minus 1 cube. Here a is equal to 5y and b is equal to 1. Now formula you have to write in next step by substituting values in the formula. 5y cube minus 1 cube is equal to a minus b means 5y minus 1, a square means 5y square plus ab means 5y into 1 and plus b square means 1 square. Next step, first bracket will remain as it is. Second bracket solution is 5 square is 25, so 25y square and 5y into 1 is 5y plus 1 square is 1. Now this is final answer. Write it in front of given question and put it in box. Fifth one is 8p cube minus 27 upon p cube. Now children, again this also we have to write in a cube minus b cube format. So 8p cube is 2p cube, right? 8 is cube of 2. So we can write 2p cube minus 27 is 3 cube. So 3 upon p bracket cube. Here a is equal to 2p and b is equal to 3 upon p. Now next steps will be same like other sums, other solutions, formula and by substituting values in the formula. So 2p cube minus 3 upon p bracket cube is equal to a minus b means 2p minus 3 upon p, a square means 2p square plus ab means 2p into 3 upon p plus b square means 3 upon p bracket square. First bracket will remain as it is. 2p square means 4p square. 2 square is 4. Now here this p and p will get cancelled with each other, right? One p is there in numerator and other is there in denominator. So it will get cancelled with each other. So 2 into 3, 6. Now 3 square is 9. So 9 upon p square. Now write down this final solution in front of given question, given sum. That is 8p cube minus 27 upon p cube is equal to 2p minus 3 upon p into 4p square plus 6 plus 9 upon p square. Next, sixth one is 343a cube minus 512b cube. 343 is cube of 7 and 512 is cube of 8. So we can write it in the form of 7a cube minus 8b cube. Here a is equal to 7a and b is equal to 8b. Write formula. By substituting values in the formula, 7a cube minus 8b cube is equal to a minus b means 7a minus 8b into a square is 7a square plus ab is 7a into 8b plus b square is 8b square. Next step, first bracket will remain as it is and we'll solve second bracket. 7 square is 49. So 49a square plus 7 8s are 56. 56ab and 8 square is 64. So 64b square. Now write down this final solution in front of question. That is 343a cube minus 512b cube is equal to 7a minus 8b into 49a square plus 56ab plus 64b square. Now seventh one, 64x cube minus 729y cube is equal to 4x cube minus 9y cube. 64 is cube of 4 and 729 is cube of 9. So a is equal to 4x and b is equal to 9y. Formula you have to write. By substituting values in the formula, 4x cube minus 9y cube is equal to a minus b means 4x minus 9y into a square is 4x square plus ab is 4x into 9y plus b square is 9y. Next step, write down first bracket as it is and 4x square means 16x square. 4 4s are 16 plus 4 9s are 36 xy plus 9 9s are means 9 square is 81. So 81 y square. Now this solution you have to write down finally. Therefore 64x cube plus 729y cube is equal to 4x minus 9y into 64x square plus 36xy plus 81y square. 8th one, 16a cube minus 128 upon b cube. Now from this we can write 16 common because this is not whole cube. So if we'll write 16 common, we'll get a cube minus 8 upon b cube in bracket. This 8 upon b cube, 8 is 2 cube. So again 16 common and a cube as it is minus 2 upon b bracket cube. Now this bracket is in the form of a cube minus b cube. So if we'll consider this bracket, here a is a only. Okay, first term is a and second term is b means 2 upon b. Now write down formula in next step. By substituting values in the formula, 16 into a cube minus 2 upon b bracket cube is equal to 16 common. In each step it will remain common. So a minus b is a minus 2 upon b. A square plus ab is what? A into 2 upon b plus b square is 2 upon b bracket square. Next step, 16 common as it is in bracket. This first one will remain as it is. Now solution for this, 2 into 2 upon b is equal to 2a upon b plus 2 square is 4. So 4 upon b square. So this is final solution of this sum and we'll write it in front of question which is asked. So 16 a cube minus 128 upon b cube is equal to 16 into a minus 2 upon b into a square plus 2a upon b plus 4 upon b square. Now question number 2 is simplify. In this, two brackets are given, x plus y bracket cube minus x minus y bracket cube. But if you will observe this carefully, you will find out you can consider this whole bracket as a and this whole bracket as b. Then it will become in the form of our formula, that is a cube minus b cube. Here a is equal to x plus y and b is equal to x minus y. Now children, second step will write formula, and by substituting values in the formula, see, first step is what? A minus b. So in this a is x plus y. So x plus y, this is a, minus b is what? X minus y. Bracket close. Now second bracket what we have to write? A square. A square is what? X plus y bracket square plus a into b. X plus y into x minus y. Okay, x plus y into x minus y plus b square is x minus y bracket square. So this is a square plus ab plus b square. Now we'll solve this. First bracket will write this out of the bracket. Okay, first one is equal to x plus y. Okay, this x plus y minus x minus y will become, this x is plus, in bracket it is plus and this y is minus, but out of bracket when minus sign is there we have to change signs. So this plus x will become minus x and this plus y will become, sorry, this minus y will become plus y. Okay, bracket close. So this is solution of this first bracket. Next, x plus y square. So here we can use a plus b square formula. So it is x square plus 2xy plus y square. This is a plus b into a minus b formula. So we can write it plus x square minus y square. Now we'll solve this bracket. This bracket is what? X minus y bracket square. So we can use a minus b square formula here. So it will become x square plus, sorry, minus 2xy plus y square. Okay. Now in this bracket, this plus x and minus x will get cancelled with each other. So we'll get 2y here. Right? Then x square, x square, x square. 3 times it is there. So in bracket we can write 3x square. This plus 2xy and minus 2xy will get cancelled with each other. X square, see, this plus y square and minus y square will get cancelled with each other. So only we'll get plus y square. Now we can multiply this. So 2 3s are 6, x square y plus 2 y square into y is y cube. So this is solution, 6x square y plus 2y cube. Children, now we'll write it in front of question which is asked, that is x plus y cube minus x minus y cube is equal to 6x square y plus 2y cube. Second one, see children, all other sums also you have to solve in the form of, in the same format of first solution. So here 3a plus 5b and 3a minus 5b. So these two brackets also you can consider as a and b. Here a is equal to 3a plus 5b and b is equal to 3a minus 5b. Write down formula in next step. By substituting values in the formula, you will get 3a plus 5b bracket cube minus 3a minus 5b bracket cube. So this is in the form of a cube minus b cube, which is equal to a minus b means a is here 3a plus 5b, whole bracket is a, and this is b. Okay, so now next bracket, a square means 3a plus 5b bracket square. ab means this first bracket into second bracket. B square means this second bracket square. Now we'll solve this one. We'll write both the brackets, this all the numbers without bracket. So 3a plus 5b, and minus sign is there out of this bracket. So this plus 3a will become minus 3a, and this minus 5b will become plus 5b. Now this is a plus b bracket square formula. So first one is 3a square is 9a square plus 2 into a into b, that is 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So 30ab plus 5b square is 25b square. Now this is a plus b into a minus b format. So its solution will be a square minus b square. So 9a square minus 25b square. Second bracket is a minus b bracket square format. So 9a square minus 30ab plus 25b square. Now children, here this plus 3a will get cancelled with minus 3a. So here we will get 5 plus 5 10b. So this 10b will write out of bracket. Now look at this 9a square. How many times 9a square is there? 1, 2, 3. So 9 plus 9 plus 9. 27a square. Now this 30ab is positive. So plus 30ab will get cancelled with minus 30ab. Plus 25b square will get cancelled with minus 25b square. So we'll get plus 25b square here. This last one will remain as it is. Now we'll multiply this. So 27 tens are 270 a square b plus 25 tens are 250 b square into b is b cube. Now we'll write it in the form of this final answer, okay, and put it in bracket. Next is a plus b bracket cube minus a cube minus b cube. So this is different sum. A plus b bracket cube minus a cube minus b cube. See, we'll write solution of this bracket first, that is, and this this bracket solution will write, and this a cube minus b cube will keep as it is in last step. So what is the solution of this? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This up to this is the solution of a plus b bracket cube, and this minus a cube minus b cube will keep as it is. Then from this plus a cube and minus a cube will get cancelled with each other, and plus b cube and minus b cube will get cancelled with each other. So we'll get only 3a square b plus 3ab square. This is the final solution of this sum. Next, fourth one is also different. P cube minus p plus 1 cube. If you will look at this sum carefully, you will find out that this is also in the form of a cube minus b cube. But the difference is first term is p and second term, that is b, you have to consider this whole bracket. So here a is equal to p and b is equal to p plus 1. Now write formula in next step. Then by substituting values in the formula, we'll get p cube minus p plus 1 cube is equal to p minus p plus 1. This is a minus b. In second bracket, a square means p square plus ab means p into p plus 1 plus b square means p plus 1 square. Now we'll write this out of bracket. So p, this p is p minus this bracket, p is positive, so it will become negative, and 1 is positive, so this will also become negative. Now here p square plus p into p is p square plus p into 1 is p. Now this p plus 1 bracket square is equal to p square plus 2p plus 1. Now this plus and minus p will get cancelled with each other, so only minus 1 will remain here. Now p square, 3 times p square is there, so we will write 3p square. Again this p plus 2p means 3p plus 1. Now we'll multiply this with minus 1. So all the signs will change. This plus 3p square will become minus 3p square. Plus 3p will become minus 3p. And plus 1 will become minus 1. Therefore, p cube minus p plus 1 cube is equal to minus 3p square minus 3p minus 1. Fifth sum, 3xy minus 2ab cube minus 3xy plus 2ab cube. So this is in the form of a cube minus b cube. Here a is this first bracket and b is second bracket. Write formula by substituting values in the formula. See, 3xy minus 2ab cube minus 3xy plus 2ab cube is equal to a minus b. A means what? This full bracket, and b is this second bracket. Now this is a minus b. Then what will be a square? A square is first bracket square. So 3xy minus 2ab is first bracket. This is a. So a square plus a. This is first bracket is a into this is second bracket, that is b. So a into b, ab plus b square means second bracket square. So 3xy plus 2ab square. Now this a minus b will write out of bracket. 3xy minus 2ab. Now this 3xy inside the bracket it is plus, but when we'll write it out of the bracket, it will become minus. Now this plus 2ab also, plus 2ab here, this plus 2ab also will become minus 2ab. Now a minus b bracket square formula we have to use here. So 3xy square is 9x square y square minus 3 2s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. 12abxy plus 2ab square is 4a square b square. Now this is a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square formula we have to use here. So it will become 9x square y square minus 4a square b square. Now this is a plus b bracket square formula. So this solution will be 9x square y square plus 12abxy plus 4a square b square. Now children, see, look at this bracket. This 3x square is plus and this is minus. So it will get cancelled with each other, and this minus minus we have to add. So 2 plus 2 minus 4ab. Now 9x square, 9x square, 9x square. Sorry, 9x square y square, 9x square y square and 9x square y square. 3 times it is. So 9 plus 9 plus 9, 27x square y square. This minus 12abxy will get cancelled with plus 12abxy. Then this plus 4a square b will get cancelled with minus 4a square b square. Now here only 4a square b square will be there. See children, here minus 4ab is common. So we can multiply it with this. So 4 into 27 is 108. 27 4s are 108. So minus 108 x square y square ab. 4 4s are 16. So here it will become 16a cube b, and sign will be minus because plus minus will become minus. So minus 16a cube b cube. A into a square is a cube and b into b square is b cube. So this is final answer. Now we'll write it in front of question which is asked, that is 3xy minus 2ab cube minus 3xy plus 2ab cube is equal to minus 108 x square y square ab minus 16a cube b cube. Children, in this way we have completed practice set 6.3.